that's gotta go. Let's see if we can do it, folks. Yep, there goes the step wedge. Well, that's a desired effect. All right, folks, hang on. It's like 80-some degrees outside right now. Well, maybe it's 70. No Oklahoma. A couple weeks ago we had snow on the ground. We got a shop hammer. We've been needing a decent one, and the place where I work, they break some hammers sometimes. So I asked if I could have the head, and they said yes. So we're the brand new owners of a hammer, or a little shop hammer, and it ain't much, but it's gonna work out pretty good. It's got some scuff marks in it and stuff, but you know, we just did that short where we kind of cleaned everything up a little bit, knocked most surface rust off of it, and it's been abused a lot, but it's still a good hammer, and there's really no sense in just throwing it away. So I got us some $10 handles, and we're gonna throw this thing on there. So let's get down in here and do a little fit. We need a different spoke shave because that one, or we need to sharpen the blade on there. I've never used that thing, so we thought we'd try it out. It didn't work out too good for us, did it? Well, we're getting somewhere. I hate how this camera. Yeah, we're still under view. Well, that went quick, didn't it? We got some daylight, and we got some stuff we're gonna need to open up here. But it's like pretty close, and it's not straight. That's a bent. That's bent. Yeah. So that's all we got right there. We're gonna sand on that real quick because it doesn't need much. Sometimes and then we're gonna open. We don't have very much battery left, so We're about home free. Just a little bit more when you're looking in the wrong way. I accidentally did the other side. But you'll have that. Whoop. Wrong way. We got a problem here, but we'll address it here in a second because we're not straight. We're crooked. So this side needs to go lower. Alright. So this side, we don't need to touch the other side at all. It's just this side that needs to be lowered a little bit here. Good Lord willing, that'll work. Misplaced my sandpaper. Sure hope this works now. Alright, there we have it, folks. We're not done yet, obviously. We still got to drive a wedge in there and peel the sticker off because we don't need to know that it's genuine Appalachian hickory from the Beaver Tooth, ain't it, Co? Because we already know that. We're going to light sand that down, put a wedge, and send her home because she is there. Alright, we just left it in there. I'm gonna pop that wedge in there and say goodnight, Peter Panda. If you guys remember that movie, I'm that young, but I'm that old. In theory, that should work perfectly. As soon as we pop the deal off the glue here. Just some lube. Alright. We're just gonna send her. That should, yeah, that'll guide right down in there. Okay, okay. Ooh, that took that whole thing. And there's Mr. Bill. Some numbers, we're gonna do that. Comment section's gonna freak out now. You shouldn't hit two faces of a hammer together. Well, I don't care. We do not care at all, because we are here and you were there. We're gonna go ahead and cut this off real quick. Get it out of the road. We're gonna go with our old friend here, the coping saw. Just because we don't debut her a whole lot anymore, and this is a small job, so. And any moment now. Ah. Little sander and bander. Alright, we're going with the original step wedge, or bullet wedge here. We're gonna see if we can pop this thing in there. May or may not, because you know we got some gap on these corners, so. Not bad. She kind of blew out, but what can you do? I decided I normally burn stuff. So like our hatchet we did here a few weeks ago, or you know, not hatchet, rigging axe we did a few weeks ago. We burned that. We burnt quite a few axes, hammer handle, stuff like that. But you know what? I got to thinking, like, this is gonna take on some pretty decent patina over the years. And we're just gonna boil linseed oil this thing. And I'm gonna get it all over the place here. And just, we already did the top too. Yeah, woo! That was loud. You know what? Yep, I'm glad I didn't do that. That looks good. I like that. That's a good look. It makes that grain pop just enough. Here, we'll kind of really rub it in there. And you know what? Boom, right there. Bold linseed oil the head. Yeah, this ain't no showroom quality hammer, obviously. Pretty sure y'all guys could read the Mexico on the bottom of it, but there it is. What do you think, folks? That is, I like that. Of course, I got like dirt and crap all over my gloves now from that, but we're giving it character. All right, just a little bit of character. We'll wipe our hands off here. There we are. Maybe y'all right there. Anyway, so if you got tired of me using this for the past few years on my stuff, I actually will keep using this because it has a flat square head on it and I like it, but it's a concrete hammer. But for the rest of the remainders, we're using something like that. I got a couple handles and a couple heads we're gonna be doing here. You know, not perfect there. We kind of blew her out a little bit, but you know what? It's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna use that for a little while, and she should work pretty good for us. She's straight, and we're gonna rock her. And the handle looks good. You know what? I usually burn my stuff, but you know what? We decided not to burn it, and looks pretty good. And we got the faces cleaned up. Like I said, these are the place where I work. It's hammers get abused, so which, you know, it ain't perfect, but it was gonna get thrown in the trash, so we might as well spend $8 to $10, put a handle on it and some time, and do something useful. So we got us a new shop hammer. We're gonna beat stuff up. We got another head around here somewhere. We got a handle. We got some other stuff. Now that we're at the end of the video, most of you probably aren't watching unless you're normals here. I bought this. This isn't what I ordered, but they're making it right. This is a beaver tooth handle. I ordered a French, and this is a New Hampshire French style. And it's big and fat and not exactly what I ordered, but they were kind enough. Emailed them and they're sending me a new one, which is very cool. But we got a sledge. We're gonna do a sledge, and then we got this pretty cool Adirondack handle from them. I've never hung an Adirondack, so that ought to be interesting. But anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys love the new hammer instead of the old concrete hammer. Although I will still use it because I like this hammer. I don't give a crap. You think? That's got a bigger face on it though. So anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.